So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy KokusFx on this one again. So according to the title of this video, no need to prolong the whole story. According to the title of this video, do you know that what if I tell you that watching YouTube videos, like learning forex trading from YouTube, can actually make you profitable? Can actually make you understand everything you need to know about forex? Because some people tell you can't get a mentor, do and stuff like that. So let me tell you something. Let me tell you something that you guys don't know. Even if you get a mentor, an unserious person is an unserious person. Whether Happy Jeffrey Benson is your mentor, whether Happy is your mentor, whether Pablo Willis is your mentor, you are not determined that you're not determined. That's a fact. So what I'm trying to say is that let's just be honest with ourselves. Me and you know that you're not determined. That's why you haven't seen results. Let me just put it that way. See, I'm not trying to judge you that you're not serious, but let's assume that the person watching me now is not serious. Sorry to say that. So the main aim of making this video is that to tell you that YouTube videos can make you understand many things as much as possible in the forex market. Let me use myself as an example because the reason I'm using myself as an example is because I started learning forex on YouTube. So this was my story. You guys, most of you guys have been following me up since I started my documenting my forex journey on this YouTube channel. Previously, I was initially I was doing my normal lifestyle content on this channel. So when I started forex, I said, oh, let me just use this channel instead of to go create another one and then I'll be distracted. Let me just use this channel and then record my whole journey on this channel. So the very first video I made about forex was that I was asking people whether I should start forex trading. So many people said their mind. So many people said yes, you can. So many people said no, you can't. Sorry for that English. So many people said yes, said their mind, but the fact was that I didn't need anybody's validation because I'm determined to do it. You understand? The reason why so many people seek people's validation before doing anything is that they don't even believe in themselves. They're not even determined that I want to do this. So they are looking for people to tell them, yes, you can do it, you can do it. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. That's by the way. So when I started learning forex trading, because I didn't have due to the background I came from, I don't have money for mentorship. I'm not saying that having a mentor is a very bad thing. It's a very good. It's one of the goodest things. So I didn't have money for mentorship. I started watching YouTube videos. But this was something that I was doing that was different from what many other people might be doing. Because I won't say that many other people. Yes. So what I was doing was that I said to myself, what is forex like? Because this forex stuff I would have started like 2 years ago, but that's why I said when you're determined, you're determined. I was pursuing this thing, all this one way they like this. I don't even understand what they happen here. But like I'm not even getting what's going on this chart or higher. What is all this stuff? Oh, but I cannot do this. That's what I told myself like 1 year ago when I went to Jeffrey Benson's channel to watch shout out to Jeffrey Benson. He has motivated a lot of people, including me. So I said I can't do this. So down to 2025 July, I said no, this is the time because I can't keep lying to myself. This is the time to hit hammer on the nail's head. So this is what I do. Now you can bring out your pen and your jotter to write down something. This is what I do. Whenever I come to YouTube, I always have a reason to come to YouTube, especially when I want to study for my forex. This is what I do. I will say, okay, I'm confused about what is PIP. I'm giving you an example of what I used to do. What is PIP? Like PIP. What is PIP? I don't know what is PIP. And like I'm like I want to know what is PIP. So throughout the videos I'm going to be watching on YouTube is going to be all about PIP. All about PIP. I'm going to watch I won't consume like 5 videos, long videos, so not be short, long video including shorts about PIP. And not just that I only watch about PIP. After watching about PIP, I'll go to my chart to figure out this stuff I watched. I would say, go, yes. This is what I watched on YouTube. Like, it is showing you Jesus. I'm getting it. So from that day, I've known what is people. And I will be like, because the major problem I faced when I started was high market trend, higher, low, higher. Our this thing, our back in those days now. In those days, that was some months ago, not in those days. God, I was confused about higher, low, higher, low, lower, ranging. I was like, what? Like, this is what they won't make my head burst. Like, what? Like, what's going on? They want my head to crack. All this stuff. How will I know this stuff? I said, no. Jeffrey West don't have two head. Habi don't have two head. Like, I saw these guys throw back. Like, they started from nothing. Like, they knew nothing about the market. But now they are somewhere. I said, no. I'm going to learn this. So, my normal procedure, I'll go to YouTube, watch many videos about it, come down to my chart, map it out. That I was doing for like some months. Then I've known, I now understand what is market trend, market structure. Let me use the word market structure. So another thing that I do, I don't want to talk too much. Another thing that I do that I want you guys to be doing, and I'm still doing up to now, is that after watching all those YouTube videos, and I see like this particular stuff is confusing me because I don't have a mentor. Because the essence of having a mentor is that when you're confused, you go to your mentor because he or she is more experienced than you, and he or she will tell you, okay, this is how you do, this is how you done. For me, I don't even have a mentor. I'm even struggling with money to fund my account. So what I do is that I go to ChatGPT. I will tell ChatGPT. Let me give you an example of what I used to tell ChatGPT. I will tell ChatGPT, what is market trend? I want you, like, you can bring out your note and write this down. You understand? I'll tell ChatGPT, what is market trend? Please, I'll put the word please. Please explain to me what is a market trend in a simplified way that a 5-year-old child can understand. I will click my send button. Bam! ChatGPT will tell me, all right, KokusFx, I love your way you're focused and you want to learn more about you guys now have ChatGPT to talk. I want to know more about the foreign market. So I'm going to break down what the market trend is in a simplified way that a small child of 5 years can understand. Koku, this is we have to market, and this is what ChatGPT is going to do. So this is a promo tip. If you don't have a mentor, go get a mentor. And that, if you don't have money for mentor, download a ChatGPT and make use of it. That's crazy. So to run this whole video up, because I don't want this to be much long. YouTube can make you understand many things about Forex. Because when I wanted to learn it, when I wanted to learn Forex, I was asking people, bro, please teach me now. I was on people's DM, bro, please teach me. I would say that for them to spend their time with me, I'm going to be paying 200,000 naira. That almost $100 and something. I said, $100 and something. Where I keep on panel. So if nobody encourage you, encourage yourself. If nobody encourage you, encourage yourself. So since I see that nobody is there to do it for me, and my parents don't have money to help me to do it, so let me make use of what I have, and that is it. Thank God for today. I thank God for today, yes, because I haven't made that money that I want. I haven't bought my dream car. I haven't bought my dream home. I haven't retired my parents, but I'm thanking God because when I started, I was clueless about the chart. But now I can look at the chart and say, oh, this is what's not going to happen. And 80% of the time it happens. So that's that's a max win for me. I understand. So that's a max win. So guys, thank you for watching the video. It's your boy KokusFx. In this my YouTube channel, I document my journey starting from when I started up to now. So I'm going to be documenting. So if this kind of video you don't want to watch, drop a like on the video, drop a comment of how your own journey started, and then hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video about my experience, about my daily life, about my things that you're gonna see it and you're gonna watch it. So thank you, bye bye. I love you all. You're blessed. Remember, YouTube can make you profitable. You should follow this procedure I just gave you. Peace.